Hello high school students. Today we're going to review how to complete the High School Partnership Enrollment Form. This is the High School Partnership Enrollment Form, and before we get started, a few things that we want to note are that if you haven't applied to Chaffey College, go ahead and do so by clicking Apply to Chaffey College, creating an account, and applying for the next semester. If you're already a current student, you won't need to do that, or if you already have a Chaffey College ID number, you won't need to go through that step. Also, this form is going to have some pre-filled fields, so make sure to check those for accuracy. If you need to update them, you could go ahead and do so throughout the form. And then also, some of the courses require prerequisites, so if you're unsure which courses do, go ahead and talk to a counselor for more information by clicking Counselor and scheduling an appointment. To get started, we're going to select the term, so next term is Spring 24. Then we're going to answer this question by answering yes or no if you've completed the agreement before. You'll also enter your high school ID number. Once you enter that, you're going to select the grade level that you're going to be in when you start the course. Next, we're going to select the high school that you attend. So as you can see, there's the high school logos as well as the alphabetical names to the high schools. So just go ahead and select yours. For this demonstration, we're going to use this high school. Next is going to be student information. So this should already be pre-filled. If it isn't, or if there's some missing information or information that needs to be updated, you could go ahead and add it or edit it. You're also going to answer this question, can we text you, yes or no? So if we have information to send you. Also, just verify your emergency contact information and update that if it need be. Next, we're going to review the student agreement. This is where you're going to read through the information provided, and if you agree to the waiver of liability and the requirements, you're going to check that box. You're going to answer this question, do you suffer from any medical problems, yes or no? And then it has the option to provide insurance policy information as well as the health insurance company. So that's optional. You don't need to provide that information. Also, if you're going to be a minor by the time the course starts, you're going to check this box for your parent or guardian and have them provide their name, email address, and phone number. And that's going to be their signature and agreeing. Next is the course search section. So here, it's going to be a little bit different than before. So we're going to list the courses that you plan to take and want to see if they're available for this upcoming semester. So you're going to select the courses you are anticipating taking, or maybe that are on your ed plan that you and a counselor created. Once we have all the courses listed, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the course checkout section. And this is where we're going to find out if the courses are available. So as we could see, art history is there, cinema 26 is there. However, Spanish isn't there, and we had listed that as well. So if the course isn't available, return to step 4 and unselect it. So to remove a course, click select here. So we're going to scroll back up. We're going to select here, removing Spanish. And then if we want to move forward and reserve a spot in these two courses, we're going to select one for the quantity. And you're going to do that for each course you want to reserve a seat in. Once we have that information filled out, we're going to go ahead and click Submit Form. That's going to send it to your designee, and you'll also get an email. So this is the email that you will receive after completing your form. It's going to provide your name, it's going to provide your email, it's going to tell you that the form has been sent to your high school counselor or designee, and your step 1 is completed. Your form will be going through step 2, step 3, and step 4. Step 3 is going to be one of the more important steps. The reason being is because that's when you're going to find out if you've been approved for the course and if we're going to attempt to register you in those courses. So the only thing that would stop you from being registered is if that course has a prerequisite or you've already repeated it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us at dual.enrollment@chaffey.edu.